Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the AUX headphone jack on your phone, Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. We start by saying that you need 100% isopropyl alcohol or some other alcohol around 90% like spirit. A round toothbrush quite hard can be purchased at Allegro, Slona, Amazon. The link should be in the description on our site if you need it. If you find that you don't have any of those supplies right now, I will leave another round one here for you to use to clean everything up properly. And the first thing is that we must always turn off our phone. Once the phone is turned off, we take this little brush and drip some alcohol on it. We pick up the phone and we insert the brush into the AUX port. We carefully twist it a few times in one specific direction and then back in the other way. Slowly pull it out and then continue to repeat this entire process for approximately 5 or even 6 separate times. Of course, this only works if there's nothing inside the phone, because if there's a foreign object in the port, unfortunately cleaning won't help. You'll just have to remove that foreign object or replace the headphone jack. But if it's just dirty, then this kind of cleaning will fully help, making the jack work like new. So, as I said, a round brush like this is ideal. We insert it, twist it a few times in one direction and then the other, and then we pull it back out, and do it once more, just like that. And we're done. To clean the rest of the socket here at the tip, we can use a different, shorter brush, so that we can gently reach here and remove anything that might still be left, any dirt that could have remained or was missed by the previous brush. With this other brush we wipe off the dirt and then we're done. We set the module aside for about 10 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. If you're using spirit, let it sit for about an hour. So it takes a bit longer, which is why it's better to use isopropyl alcohol, because it simply dries much faster and without any issues. In addition, if you have a headphone jack like this, you can blow it out, but not with a compressor, which could damage something, but rather with a little air blower like this. Insert it, press a few times, and this little blower simply dries the jack a bit faster than if you just let the alcohol evaporate on its own. It's recommended, but not absolutely necessary. In that case, you'll just need to wait a bit longer and you'll have your jack ready. A clean headphone jack? Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.